Well, hello there. It's old Chainsawbob, and we're out here for one of my favorite types of rides. This is Tuesday evening in early July. I don't know whether that day's 10th, 11th, 12th. I really don't know. I don't want to bother to look it up on the phone to find out. Not important. It's almost 8 o'clock in the evening, 5 minutes till, as you can see my fancy clock down there. And this is one of the greatest things you can do, having one of these little scooters. Let's just get off for on a hot day. It's been 87 today. It's down to about 81 or 82. You can get off and just go for a nice little afternoon or evening ride before dark on your scooter. And so I'm down here. This is called Ballou Town Road, I guess, Ballou Road. And it used to be the old Highway 5 that went into Blue Ridge. And they surpassed this with the Highway 515 4-lane or whatever. It's just a nice, quiet little ride up through here. Thought we'd just ride down through here a little bit and see what there is to see and enjoy life a little bit. Here we go. We're out here on Charlie Chan, my Ice Bear 150cc scooter. It's kind of a quiet area down through here, hardly any traffic. Just a perfect little ride down through here. Nice little manicured lawns, nicely kept houses along through here. It's a very old neighborhood though. Somebody got a fire going out there. Oh, they're building a house. They're burning some materials there. Nice little pond there. Great place. In fact, I think I might want to just turn around and go back down there and see that. Get a little better look at it. It's another nice thing you can do on these things is just turn them around here in the middle of the street. Ease on down here. We'll look at this pretty little pond in somebody's yard. Oh, isn't that pretty down in there? It sure is. Nice and quiet and peaceful. Probably some fish in that pond. Oh, that is nice. So I think we'll just turn back around here. Pretty place. Old falcon up there and a fairlane. What about that? I'll get up there and that light's going to change and I'm going to get stuck. Just wait and see. Yes, wait and see. Take advantage of this time to slip my sunglasses back on. And so here I sit. There's not a car coming either direction. Oh, well, here comes somebody. let's see if I can just do this. To cross, push button. All right, well, that's what we're going to do. Now let's see how long that takes. At least it's doing it. Where there's a will, there is a way. What about that? I think we'll go back down and cruise through town. Although I'm going to be sorry when I go across these railroad tracks down here, because they're pretty rough. Even in a car or truck, they're rough. I just guess we'll bounce over them. Well, they don't look quite. No, that's not too bad. There's an old 5-ton army truck there. You kind of use it for a sign out here, I guess. The Grumpy Old Men's Brewery. There's a playground. There's usually a bunch of kids out here. There looks like there's some out here tonight playing, having a big time. Well, I knew that light's going to catch me. Red light's just like me. Nobody coming, nobody going. How long do I wait here? Well, that's long enough. Wasn't for all these places down through here, why this little town would just dry up and blow away. Them and the railroad there, the passenger trains that runs every 2 hours during the week, during the summertime, is what keeps this little place alive up here. Most all of our industry is gone. So we're into the tourist industry, people. I hadn't hardly been in any of these places down here. I lived here for some 24 years now. We're just old retired people. We can't really afford to come down here and eat and stuff like we, might have when we was a little younger. Don't have that kind of money nowadays with Biden's inflation and all, Biden's gas and Biden's groceries. I'll have to tell a little story on myself here. I took my first cousin out for a little ride the other day in my Dodge van, my 2014 Dodge van. And I think we actually bought it in the summer of 2013 as a 2014 model. But anyhow, and I was bragging to him that that still had the original battery in it, either 8 or 9 years old, which is pretty remarkable for a car battery nowadays. And I was bragging to him about it. I always kept it up with, you know, made sure it was filled up with distilled water and when it needed to be, and never let it really run dead or anything. We had to go to the store this morning, my wife and I, and we went out, and the car goes, "Crrr, crrr, crrr," and it was dead. And it didn't even click. The radio went off and everything. The battery went kaput. So I carry a little start thing that I got from Harbor Freight. It costs like $69. It's got like 450 cranking amps starting power, and a little booklet thing about the size of a Bible or something like that. So I carry that under the seat because I knew that battery's going to go one of these days. And we got it started. I buy my batteries from Walmart because if you have a problem with the battery at Walmart, you just go back to Walmart and they'll replace that battery. A good warranty. And I don't know if the battery's any better or not, but the warranty certainly is good. Well, that battery was $149, and it was $11 and something of the tax, so it's a little bit over $160, or right around $160 for a car battery. My God. That's my 1997 Mercury Cougar V8 there. 4.6 liter overhead cam V8 in it. I think I got 106,000 miles on it. Don't drive it much, as you see there. It's got pollen all over it and cat prints. And there's my Dodge van with the $160 battery in it. Alrighty. Well, so Chainsawbob, and I hadn't put out a video for about a month now, I guess, or something like that. And I've made some videos, but I just hadn't got around to doing it. But I bought me another new bike, and it's a Honda Trail 70 clone Ice Bear bike, made in China. And anyway, it was delivered to me with some damaged parts still in the crate, and so I've had having to do the roundabout thing of trying to get them to make good on the parts and stuff I needed. And so I thought I'd include a picture of the bike and some pictures of the damage that I received on the bike. I've since rode it a few kilometers, but not much. I'm waiting on getting all these parts to get it back together. So anyway, we'll try to get back to making videos a little more here in a week or two. Thanks for watching.